Hello. This is my sister. Yeah, she's really weird. Told you. I think I saw my cat out here somewhere.
Baby!
Yeah, that's her name.
Hi! She's there.
Spoiler alert. Not exactly spoilers. There she is.
She's in the grass.
Perfectly camouflages with the bush. Wait, that's not a bush. Dang it! Perfectly camouflages, except for the white bits.
I'm cold.
Go inside then.
No!
Right.
What can you just do when she's inside? It smells like here. Yeah. Bye-bye.
And, yeah. Here's Silas. Can't exactly see him, can you? Try this, there. Yeah, that's Silas. That's Silas. And this is my sister. I'm zooming in. Her face. That face.
Have you heard from Sam? Sam?
Yeah. So, I think Beebe's still outside. I'm just gonna go check on her. See if she's on any other adventures today. Here she is. The cat herself. The cat. Wait, never mind. Beebe.
I'm gonna go in. Ah! Baby buried a rat under there.
Really?
Yeah.
Ugh.
There's a rat under there. It's dead.
Okay,
Come here.
moving on.
Come baby.
What? Yeah, so it's just gone past 12 o'clock now. Yeah, so,
Don't open that door. Baby, attack me.
so, yeah, it's about 12 o'clock now, just gone dinner time. So, yeah, that's about the time. So this video should come out about, if you're watching this, you're probably watching it about 1:15 or something, because it does take a while to upload the videos. Isn't that right, evil sister? Wow, she's really weird. MLG glasses.
I'm gonna go and get Teddy.
Wow. MLG glasses. Yeah. Okay, that was weird. Very weird. Anyway, going upstairs now. Okay. What is that? Okay. Seems to be hugging something. Alright. Right, okay. Right, now she's weird. Right, let's get out of here. The gas. Too much gas. It's causing pain. Oh.
Hello, pickle nose.
Animal abuse.
every moment, laugh every day, will be our words.
Right, I guess you can't see that, but zooming out. Yeah. Back to my sister.
1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4. Ta-da! It's over there.
I don't think anyone's interested. But in case they are, here they are.
Laughing so down high, crash your dad's new car. Oh,
Listen, we're like really close friends with Sam.
Can we please just talk to her for a minute? Just for a minute? Promise.
No. Will you quit staring at me? Please give me some beryllium nitrate and 4 metric tons of ionized quatrazine. Sorry, I don't roll that way. Distract the nurse so we can go find Sam.
Can you do that?
Yeah, babe. You can kick me anywhere you want below the waist and I won't feel it. Why not? My pants are made of neutronium cotton. You don't believe me? Kick my thighs. Kick them hard.
Yeah, we don't want to.
Liar! Oh my goodness, are you okay?
It's gone quiet.
I know. I didn't know it. I don't know.
Oh, weird noise alert.
My flower.
Which died a couple of months. Which died a couple
No,
of
it's
weeks ago.
outside. In the flower pot.
It died. I saw
When?
it.
It's in the flower pot.
No, it's dead. It's dead. I saw it.
No, guys, let's go outside in the front yard to see my flower.
I don't think that's a good idea. Hide. First, we'll try and see if we can look out the window to see it. By the way, I am not a hobo.
In the house. It's down there.
Can you see anything?
No.
Can you guys see anything? Zooming out.
At the door.
No, you can see outside, I think. That's it.
None of your business where we live.
No.
Don't try and kill us.
She likes to be weird. Because that's how she rolls. What are you even doing?
Hey, Kaden! When he was a baby.
Okay, yes. I guess you already knew that by the username. My name's Caden. So this is my baby picture. Nobody knows what I look like in real life. Okay.
Because his pictures of our cat, BB.
Yeah, which you saw earlier this morning. Wait, no you didn't. You didn't.
I wanted to see this one. It's me.
Okay, baby picture of my sister as well. Here we go. That's me.
This is fat me.
There's Fatty. Oh, she looks so adorable when she was warm. Look at that mouth.
It's my birthday.
How old are you then? 1.
No! Look at me.
Why are you talking like a baby? I suppose you just think that is a white thing. It is not. It is my dog. It is our dog. Of course it is. What else do you think it is? Mexican?
Mustache. Mustache.
Pistachio.
No, look at my face.
I'm gonna go. Okay. Nope, door seems to be locked. Here she is. BB. BB the cat. The legend. The legend known as BB. Dun, dun, dun.
What's she done?
Okay, she's very camera shy. I don't get it why.
What shall we do with that?
What is that?
It's pig. Ken, it's done in it.
Ew, that's disgusting. Okay, I'm going to end video here because this has just gotten disgusting. Really, really disgusting. I should be posting a video like in an hour or something. Ish. Yeah, about an hour. So, yeah, I guess that's it.
Don't end video yet. My song, so let's go and see that.
Oh, here we go again. Oh, baby, don't eat that. Don't eat that. I'm going to end video here. This is just disgusting. Bye. And I'll see you later. So, bye.